Hi, welcome back to Bear Cuisine. Today's video is narrated by me because my husband was drunk yesterday and then the previous day he was too sleepy. I feel if we wanna catch the deadline and upload this video by Friday, it's better I put on my voice for the first time. Today we would like to share with you this mango chicken curry. It's really tasty. I started to develop this recipe when I saw several Indian cuisine videos after watch so much of them, and then I just came up with this one. I think it's not authentic Indian food, but it is really delicious and then it tastes like curry.
Very good.
But there's one difficult thing in this recipe is that you need to have a lot of spice. It's okay if you're missing some of them. It will still taste very amazing. If you are curious, please keep watching. And your shirt looks like this.
Exactly, it matched the curry. That's great. This is my curry eating shirt.
We used 6 chicken thighs here. You can trim off the large fatty part and cut them into small pieces. To marinate it, add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this well and set it aside while we prepare other ingredients. Next, toast some spices over low heat for about 40 seconds. The spices that we used are listed on the screen. Turn off the heat when you start to smell the aroma. Transfer them into a grinder. Next, chop half of the onion, a small knob of ginger, and 4 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Heat up a pan with oil. Add the spice that we listed here and slowly infuse them over low heat. When you can smell the aroma, add the onions in. Then add the garlic and ginger together with a 1/3 cup of tomato paste, which is half the can that we used here. And also don't forget to add the spice powder. Add the chicken into the pot. Now the sauce is pretty thick. Add about 1 cup of hot water to cover the chicken, and then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. You can use this time to chop some cilantro and prepare the mango. We separate the mango for 2 uses. For part of the mango, we will chop into large chunk pieces. When you do that, you're gonna have some corner pieces, which we're gonna add it to the food processor and then blend it into mango puree. Okay, so now it's 15 minutes later. Let's take a look at the curry. It smells really good. To make it to the next level, add a mango puree and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. We add the garam masala at the end because that's what Google recommended, which will keep the maximum flavor from the spices. Take out all of the large pieces of spice and then turn off the heat. Add a mango cube and cilantro in and stir well. And voila, it's done. This curry has a well-balanced, robust flavor. The spices pair so well with the freshness from the mango, and it goes so well with the rice. This is some good eats and very easy to make. Actually, this is supposed for 4 serving, but we nearly finished all just by 2 people on our first meal, so it's really tasty. Thank you for watching till here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so when we have the new recipe, you will get notified.